Welcome back to the another video. So in this video we will be doing the logistic regression on the dataset we were using is the empty cars dataset. So let me show you the datasets empty cars. So this is my datasets, and if you want to see the column names you can use empty cars. Column names empty cars, so it will give you the column name of these datasets. Now let me tell you the description of these basically headers. So the MPG it stands for miles per gallon, CIL number of cylinders, DASP displacement, HP is the gross horsepower, Brad is the rear axle ratio, weight is the weightage, okay. 2 second is the miles per time, VS is the engine, V-shaped or straight, AM transmission is like automatic or manual, gear number of forward gears, and carbs number of the carburetors. So this is the like description of the header. So now we will be using the this data set for our regression model. The function we use in the regression model is like glm. This function you use, so it's showing three things. One is formula, second is data, and the third thing is family. So now let's use our empty data set. I'll declare a variable here input, and I'll call my data set here empty cars. I'll use the upper bracket. Then I'll taking all rows and column. I'm taking only AM and CIL. Then I'm taking HP, and then I'm taking weight. So I'll be doing the regression, the loss regression based on these data points. So I'll take this input. So is there any issue? Okay, I have not closed these brackets. So I have the input variable here. So let me show you the head input. So this is the my new data set with the input. So let me do the regression model here. So I'll be creating regression model. I'll use input input I have already taken. So I'll use AM data. So basically I'm taking the automatic or manually equal to, or both signs will work, GLM or formula equal to AM, and this CIL plus HP plus weight. So data equal to input, and family equal to binomial. So I'll run this regression model now. Object binomial not found. So let me see this why it's not found. So family is binomial. Okay, so this is my regression model is ready. Now we will print the summary. So print summary of am dot data. So if I run this, we will see the stats of the regression model. So here I can see the estimated, okay, interceptor this and standard error this value is -2. So dispersion parameter for the binary family taken by the one. Okay, null deviance is 43 on 31 degrees of freedom. AIC number of finisher scoring the iteration is 8. So the conclusion is in the summary, the p-value of the last column is more than 0.05. For the variable cycle, cylinder, and horsepower, we consider them to be insignificant in contributing to the value the variable AM and automatic or manual. Only weight is impact the transmission machine in the regression models. As you can see here, so only weight is impacting the transition machine, whether it is automatic or manual. So this is our regression model. If you have any queries, you can comment below. I'll be replying over the comment you soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.